I say something. I think that isolating China from all the manufacturing of specific chips is going to create, and this is happening, on internal production of very good high quality chips that are going to leak around the world and render isolated those that wanted to isolate them first. So there will be some very powerful model, much cheaper hardware that is going to run amazing for those that dare
Gonna go
use
straight
the.
to Iran first and sell them the newest chips.
That's how you do it, meaning that when you create a wall, then you stay on the side of the wall that you are, and you do the market there. So you find the resources, you create the offer. So the day that you discover that Nvidia, or Nvidia as you call it, is costing 10 times more than somebody else that has something much cheaper to work better, then you can make it illegal. What to do?
Could you imagine that the actual fear for the US is, of course, these countries developing technology fast, but the fact that they have to decide what to release to the public at the same time? Because they have hidden technologies, things that they've already worked on light years and way ahead. But they're like, shit, somebody just cut the gap again another 10 years. Now we're forced to release the technology.
So you see, Chinese efforts to build a nearly complete domestic AI chip supply chain with design like Huawei Ascend 950 series